Hello YouTube. Today we will be solving the math issues problem on Codewars with JavaScript. So for this problem we have to rebuild each of these functions. So the math round, the math ceiling, and the math floor functions. Let's get started. So to do the rounding one, what we're going to want is any number below the decimal is 0.4. To return a value that is just the integer value of number, and if it's greater than or equal to 0.5 plus the integer number, we want it to return the integer number plus 1. So start that out. Check if number without check if let's check if the decimal is greater than or equal to 0.5. If true, return integer plus 1. Else, return integer. Then for the ceiling function, if the number is not just an integer, we're going to want to raise the number by 1. So let's just do if number is already an integer, return number, else return number plus integer number plus 1. And for the floor function, we're going to want to return just the integer number. So we could use the parse int function for that. So return parse int number. Now let's go writing the other ones. Okay, so if the decimal is greater than or equal to 0.5. So we should probably check that with the modulus. So let's do number. And then we're going to do 1. And then we're going to want to check if it's greater than or equal to 0.5. If it is, then we're going to return the integer number plus 1. So we're going to use the parse int of the number plus 1. Then we're going to do else. And the else case will just be returning the integer. All right, then for the ceiling one, so if number is already an integer, return number. So we're going to do if parse int number is exactly equal to, using the 3 equal signs, number, return number. Else, return, we want to return the integer number, so parse int plus 1. But we got to add the number in. And that is the solved problem. Let's test it. Okay, pass all these cases. Attempt it. It passed. So then we can submit. All right, that's all for today. See you next time.